Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 9 of the coding series Code Every Day. So let us quickly go to the system. Here we are back to our system. The previous day we have seen how to print arrays in Java. Today let us have a glance at the while and the do while loop. So let us quickly create a new class. Here right click on this src folder, click on the new, then Java class, and let me name this as Code Everyday 009. Here our class is ready, following which we'll write the main method public static void main string args and curly braces open. So we will first see the difference between the while and the do while loop separately. Then I'll show you the main difference between them. Okay, let us start with the while loop. Suppose I take my variable as I and I initialize it with 5 and I'll write the while loop. Here curly braces open. So I'll give here condition. That is, suppose my I is less than equal to 10, then system.out.println hello world, following which I'll write the I and then I plus plus. Let me run and show you. Here hello world from 5 to 10 has been printed. Now let me show you the do while loop. Let me comment this out for the time being. I'll take a new variable. Suppose int j equals to 1. Do print system.out.println hi coders and print the value of j also, and here j plus plus, and end of which will write the while condition while j is less than equal to 5, and we'll run and show you. Here 1 2 3 4 5 has been printed. Now you can check here a difference. Here after the while statement or the condition we have applied a semicolon, but here after the while condition there is a curly braces open. This is one difference, and let me show you the second difference on it. If I reduce this value to 4, here also I'll do the same thing. Let my value of j be from 5. Okay, I've kept both the conditions as same. Let me run this and show you. See, the while loop is not executed since this condition is false. Since the value of I is not less than equal to 4, therefore this condition is not true and neither this print statement is executed. But here for do while, once the loop prints this statement, before checking the condition, it prints for one single time. It executes it for one single time. This is the main difference between the while and the do while loop. That do while loop executes at least once before checking the condition, whereas while loop only works when the condition is true. That's all for today. Bye bye and have a good day.